Okay, welcome back. What I want to do is to continue with level 3 diploma in installing electrotechnical systems and equipment. Now, what I'm looking at here is that this is unit 305, and this unit was applicable to the 2357, but that's changed to the 5357. Now, the knowledge and the information you will need is still the same, okay? It hasn't changed. And you should find that it corresponds to 101 and 102. Now, don't hold me to this because there may have been amendments to this since, okay? But I've just checked it and the information, some of the information relates to it still. But as Sitting Girls is continually changing and updating some of this, then be aware of that. So don't take this as read. Check, check, check your information. Okay? I've checked as close as I can at the time of this information. So it is correct at this time to the best of my knowledge. But be aware that you need to again keep in touch with the IEE regs and bear in mind that we have now left the EU and the IEE regulations may change, or the IET regs BS 7671. 7671? Yes, I believe that's right. Okay. Now what we're going to look at is understand the procedures, practice and statutory and non-statutory regulatory requirements for preparing work sites for the installation of wiring systems and associated equipment. Now you have legal responsibilities, okay, here, so it tells you that, and you need to keep that in mind as well. Okay, I'm just going to pan back, make sure we get it all in full. Okay. Okay, now this is just to tell you what unit consists of and what the outcome is intended to be. Now, I'm not going to read this through to you. You can read this for yourself. So let me just make sure that this is quite readable as far as you are concerned. And this is level 3. I don't need to be doing a lot of talking here for to this. Okay. Okay. And here are our learning outcomes. Okay. Gain an understanding of the duties for employers and employees. Sorry about that. Okay. Now, outcome 1. Explain the health and safety requirements and legal duties of employed and employees in establishing a safe working environment. Now, you've done a lot of this in Unit 301 already, so I'm not going to, or 101, whichever unit you did health and safety in, okay? So that would still be applicable. But all I'm going to do here is to just show you what they're talking about, okay, overall, okay? And all we're saying here is we're just showing you where these images were obtained from, okay? And that there's a lot of information available to you, okay? Now preparing for work, okay? And please note these responsibilities are shared by employers and employees. Okay. Okay, just to be sure we can get it in frame, okay? You're in frame, good. Now here it clearly states and tells you the duties of employers, but you need to remember that you need to be sure that you're making reference to the BS 7671 IET regulations, okay? You must make reference to the IET regulations, irrespective of whatever number comes out, whether now or in the future, okay? That is your responsibility, no one else's. And here are the employer's duties, okay? Okay, employer's duties continues, okay? And remember that HSE stands for the Health and Safety Executive, okay? And they enforce the law in regards to health and safety. Okay, at your level now, I don't need to be doing a lot of talking. Okay, so this is now just self-explanatory, and it's to provide you with additional information. Okay. Okay, that will be it. Thank you for now. I hope you found this useful. Now, here you'll notice I didn't need to do a lot of talking because you're now level 3 and you should now know all this stuff already and know how to apply it. Okay, so I should not now need to be holding your hands. Okay, right. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye bye for now.